Unlock your path to passive income. Discover how to start an online business with a proven blueprint that thousands are using to earn daily.
Access a step-by-step guide to achieve 100% profit, automate your earnings, and enjoy passive income.
Join an exclusive community of successful online business owners and get your free 10K in 30 days guide today.
Are you ready to start an online business that allows you to earn daily while enjoying more time with your family?
Imagine if you could.
Make a full-time income online with just 2 hours of work per day.
Work from anywhere using your phone.
Have more freedom and time to enjoy what you love.
Travel the world while making passive income.
Change lives globally with less work and effort.
Why this program is for you.
If you're tired of struggling and feeling stuck.
If you want to make extra income from home.
If you're looking to leave your job and get out of debt.
If you want to work from anywhere with your phone or a laptop.
Get instant access to
A comprehensive launch kit designed for fast profitability.
a pre-built website and automated system.
Training to build a faceless brand and run marketing campaigns without appearing on video.
Join a community of like-minded individuals, participate in live interactive mentoring sessions, and never feel alone on your journey to success.
Don't wait and take action now. Visit ownasystem.com and start your journey to creating a successful online business and a lasting legacy for your family.